I'll guide you through the steps to change the Wi-Fi network on your Roku device. Whether you've switched to a new network or need to reconnect, this tutorial will make the process easy and straightforward. Step 1. Access the home screen. First, grab your Roku remote and press the Home button. This will take you to the main screen of your Roku device. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Next, on the home screen, use the arrow buttons on your remote to scroll down and select Settings. You'll find this option towards the bottom of the menu too. Step 3. Open Network Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll and select Network. This is where you can manage your Wi-Fi networks and connections too. Step 4. Set up new connection. Now, under the Network menu, choose Set up Connection and then select Wireless. Your Roku device will start scanning for available wireless networks. Step 5. Choose your network. When the list of available networks appears, find and select your new Wi-Fi network. If your network doesn't show up immediately, give it a moment, ensure your router is on, and try again. Step 6. Enter Wi-Fi password. After selecting your network, you'll be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password. Make sure to input it correctly, as passwords are case-sensitive too. Once entered, confirm the connection. Step 7. Confirm connection. Once connected, a confirmation message will appear on your screen, and you're all set to enjoy streaming on your Roku device with your new Wi-Fi network.